Gondor cheese making machine. Product detail. Stirring without dead angle. Cutting more evenly. Promoting the curd to gradually compact. Processing effect show. Pour the milk or yogurt into the jar. Mixing frequency adjustable. Automatic temperature control. Separating whey from curd. Stable product quality. Beautiful appearance. Related machines. Final product. Client feedback.
I just want to show you what a great machine. I had order from my friends.
Let them go and just go to a garlic that we did last night and yesterday, drying our cooling.